Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vena Ameliya, NPM 234120039, Accounting Class 23A, Accounting Systems course. Okay, here I will explain about the debt accounting system. Let's just discuss it. Purchase return system. Sometimes the goods received from the supplier do not match the goods ordered according to the purchase order. This nonconformity can occur because the goods received do not match the specifications stated on the purchase order, the goods are damaged during delivery, or the goods received are past the delivery date promised by the supplier. The purchase return system is used by companies to return goods that have been purchased to their suppliers. Functions related to the purchase return system: warehouse function, purchasing function, delivery function, accounting function. Purchase return system. Documents used in the purchase return system: debit memo, goods delivery report, accounting notes used to record purchase return transactions, purchase returns journal or general journal, stock card, debt card. Purchase return system. Key network of procedures that form the purchase return system. There are 3 of them. Purchase return order procedure. Procedure for sending goods to suppliers. Debt recording procedures. Likewise, there are 3 elements of organizational internal control: organization, authorization system, and recording procedures. Healthy practice. Debt recording procedures. There are 2 methods of recording debt, namely account payable procedure and voucher payable procedure. In the accounts payable procedure, the debt record is in the form of a debt card maintained for each creditor, which shows notes regarding the invoice number from the supplier, the amount owed, the payment amount, and the debt balance. Meanwhile, in the voucher payable procedure, a debt card is not maintained, but a voucher archive, proof of cash out, is used, which is stored in the archive according to the alphabet or due date. This cash out receipt archive functions as a debt record. There are 2 documents used in the account payable procedure. A. Invoice from supplier. B. A receipt for receipt of money signed by the supplier, or a copy of the notification letter, remittance advice, sent by the supplier, which contains information for what the payment was made. There are 3 accounting records used in the accounts payable procedure: debt card, purchase journal, cash disbursement journal. Debt recording procedures. Account payable procedure. The procedure for recording debts using the account payable procedure is as follows. When an invoice from a supplier has been approved for payment, invoices from suppliers are recorded in the purchases journal. The information in the purchases journal is then posted to a debt card maintained for each creditor. When the amount in the invoice is paid, checks are recorded in the cash disbursements journal. Information in the cash disbursement journal related to debt payments is posted to the debt card. Debt recording procedures. Voucher payable procedures. If in the accounts payable procedure, debt recording goes through 4 stages, then, in the voucher payable procedure, debt recording only goes through 2 stages: debt recording in the cash out register, voucher register, and cash disbursement journal. Even in certain debt recording procedures, one-time voucher procedure with cash basis, debt recording is only carried out in 1 stage. Documents used in voucher payable procedures: proof of cash out or a combination of proof of cash out, check, voucher, or check voucher. Accounting records used in voucher payable procedures: register, proof of cash out, voucher register, check register, check register. Distribution of purchases. Distribution is the procedure of summarizing the details contained in the media, for example, invoices from suppliers, and collecting such summary totals for the purposes of generating reports. If applied to purchases, this distribution is related to summarizing debits arising from purchase transactions and payments for preparing reports and recording in journals. Almost all debits from purchasing transactions are related to inventory and costs. In manufacturing companies, the classification commonly used for debits arising from purchase and payment transactions is as follows. For raw materials. Type of raw material. Products that use these raw materials. A combination of the 2. For spare parts. Spare part type. For expenses originating from purchasing services. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.